Hello guys, ngayon po guys maglalaro tayo ng Tower of Tower of Hell, basta iba dito. Duke's Tower of Hell. Ito po oh. Nilaro niyo na po to?
Wala naman nanonood sa'yo, nalaro niyo na.
Ito po, dito na po tayo. Nasa first pa lang po ako. Ito, Tower of Annoyingly Simple Trials. Ito po, maglalaro na po ako. At titingnan ko kung makatapos ko po to. Hindi ko po alam kung matatapos ko to. Hindi.
Jonesy for Fortnite, I swear it was, right? Oh my god, this league is gonna get super that way. Dang it, dude! I don't think I'm
Ito na ako. Nandito na agad ako. Kasi po, dati, naglaro na po ako nito.
so freaking bad, but I can't. This is Gymless. As you guys can see, this isn't what I have so far. Too bad. Let's take all these off real quick. That's kind of satisfying. I'm doing another Gym Simulator game, and I've basically destroyed that game and beat it. So this one's great. I'm glad this game.
Babalik.
And yeah, that's our competitor, Gym Daddy, Gym stuff. But yeah, let's open up and let's freaking do this. Now I have to get.
Bubukas po yung rainbow door.
Callista? What the? Callista? You're stuck with.
Ito po, oh.
I need to get to know you first. Yeah, sure. What's your workout motivation? To impress you, obviously. She's laughing. She's laughing. You can be any animal. Which one would you be? A lion becomes the king of the jungle. Oh, yeah. You are to approach me like that. Get lost in here. What the? You know what, Callista? You know what, Callista? Oh.
Ito na, nandito na po ako. Takbo.
You're Callista. Get out of here, moron. The cops are coming. I want to be a member. Yes. Give me the pricing sheet.
Malapit na ako. 82 health na lang.
No, that's the cost. No!
May health pa dito. Lapit ay.
This game is insane, by the way. Just two ways, it's actually nuts how much you can do in this game. And the cop's gone. Yes! Let's log in on our gym. Let's not hit any more people. Let's get these customers going. Membership, yes, let's give you... Perfect. I want to select 2 days, 180 option. I accept it. Hello, everyone. 142. Okay, perfect.
Layo pa po.
Oh, look at her. Let's hyper up. Excellent.
Layo pa.
Oh, sorry, Victor. Sorry, Victor Shadow. Put these up a little bit so he's perfect. This is a rip-off. Are you trying to?
Ito na.
No! Can't make the prices that high. I understand. Put it down a little bit. Oh, customer slipped on a banana. What? Oh my god, you're so... I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry.
Ito na po ako.
No, why? Bananas everywhere.
Oh, low.
Cheers. You were invited to my gym. This gym looks like real.
Dali na.
Wait, the customer is paying with the...
Aray. Oh, I know this. Susunod ko lang itong mga green. Saka, nandun na ako. Ano na baga? Dito po ako nahihirapan. Yun. From like this. Where? Si Bacon Hair. Ang lupit po ni Bacon Hair. Muntik na. Dito na tayo. Malapit na tayo.
The cop is right there, guys. Does he know? No, it's okay. I am hanging out. You're taking
Yes.
me alone. Are you kidding me? Yeah. Boom. You know what? It's so dark here.
Bouncy.
Okay. There will be no customers after 8 p.m. Close. Hey, get up to the gym, guys.
Ay! No! Maulit na naman ako.
Well, what's my Instagram looking like? Ooh. 3.2, that's not bad. Yeah, it's like on the freaking banana too. By the way, guys.
Yun.
It's the blush
Di ba po ako dito nakakapunta? Ay, nakapunta na pala ako dito. Sorry.
Let's close up. Okay, so I think I just demolished this wall. Area is unlocked, is not unlocked. Right?
Muntik na.
Boom. Money for that. Now we can unlock it. Though. Look at
Dali na.
it. Over there.
Noob mo na ang graphics.
Take these off.
Kasi,
No,
Kasi na po.
looking good. Okay, we gotta move this.
ayun po yung mga ibang game. Yan po, oh.
We'll fix that. Yeah,
Pa ito, yung taas.
Start of a brand new day. Sandy Beach should stay here the whole time. I thought that's a little freaky. Let's throw a trash can.
Doon po ako nagsimula. Doon. Napunta po ako dito.
Is this actually durable?
Oh, this is a balloon. Yun. Dito na ako.
There we go. I got myself planned to see you. Alright, start a new quest.
Dandan lang. Baka malaglag. Ang dilim.
Break close gym windows with the hammer. Key on that motion.
Dili. Ang dilim.
Okay, this is amazing. Okay, let's do that. Let's
Yun na.
complete this task real quick.
Umaga na ulit.
Okay, should be good. Let's see on that. Good. Yeah, hello, man. How you doing, Marathon Round?
No. Yes.
Open up real quick.
No. Nagulit. Ba't ako nagulit dito? Why are you do this to me? Ulit tayo.
Let's go.
Hindi ko muna ito tatapos ang video. Kakat ko na muna to. Sige po guys, kakat ko na muna. Bye-bye. So guys, hindi na po ako dun makabalik. Doon sa pinakataas. So, dito ko na po itatapos ang video. Kasi hindi po ako dun nakabalik kasi po nalaglag ako. Sige po guys, like and subscribe. Bye-bye.